In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate some of the common tasks you might use for account login, recovery, and password resets. Let's start by looking at how you might use an invite email or a password reset email sent from a portal staff or admin user. Both invite and password reset emails initiated by a staff user will contain a link that you as the user can utilize to create a new password. In either scenario, the link contained in the email you receive has the same functionality. When you receive the email, just click the link to begin the process. To ensure that no one else can use the link in the email, you will be prompted to send yourself a one-time password code. Click the Send button to do that. Now go to your email inbox to retrieve the code. Great! Now that we have the code, we will enter it in the field labeled One-Time Password. Use your favorite password manager to generate a new password and enter it in the new password fields. And that's it. You've set a new password on your account. Let's test it out to be sure it's working. You're good to go.
Login assistance and account recovery. If you're having issues authenticating, click the Forgot Password link. Choose where you will receive a one-time password. Then click the Send button. Retrieve the one-time password. Paste or type in the one-time password. Then click Send to authenticate. You're now logged in. Change password. Navigate to the user security page in your profile settings. Click the Change Password button. If you know the current password, you can enter it in the field labeled Current Password/code. If you don't know your current password, you can select where to send a code that you can enter instead of the current password. Retrieve the verification code. Paste or type in the code in the field labeled Current Password/code. Use your favorite password manager to generate a new password and enter it in the new password fields. And that's it.
Using direct login links. A common scenario is to receive an email with a direct login link. This is typically for making payments or reminders of invoices due. Typically, these links will allow a direct login without doing anything additional. However, these links may require a verification code depending on how long ago the link was generated and/or if the link was previously used. In this case, you will receive a one-time verification code that you can enter to verify that you are indeed the authorized user. Once validated, you are redirected to the linked page.